Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope this video finds you well. Today I am going to install Unimus network automation, configuration backup and change management tool. What are the advantages? These are the main three advantages if you see on my screen, and this is the open source available, so we can install it on the Ubuntu OS, right? Okay, so we are going to download it. You simply have to search for the Unimus website and click on the download button and select your installation operating system. I am going to install Ubuntu Debian, and these are some simple commands that will install Unimus on your machine on or the server. First we are going to run this command. I have accessed my Ubuntu server using putty and SSH tool. I am going to install Unimus on the Ubuntu 22.04. Okay, this has been completed. Now you have to get this package. It has been downloaded successfully. Now we have to give some permissions, and then you have to run this command to install the Unimus. Press enter to continue or control plus C to exit. Now it is updating some packages, some dependencies. Now it is going to install Java because the supported version is not available on my operating system. For all the installation to proceed, you have to access your Ubuntu server CLI with the root user. Otherwise, you can use the sudo command, sudo keyword in the start of your command. After the successful installation of Java according to the requirement and some dependencies, now the OS is downloading the Unimus and its packages. So now it has been successfully downloaded and installed. Please note it can take up to 30 seconds for the web interface to start responding. If Unimus UI does not start, please check this log file. So we are going to access the server in the browser. Oh my bad, I have to change the IP address with your server IP. Finally, the Unimus UI is accessible as instructed by the developers. It will take around 30 seconds to 1 minute to get loaded. So we have to agree with the EULA and click the continue setup button. Now you have to create the username and password to access Unimus UI. I'm going to use Unimus as a username and some strong password. Continue setup. Okay, I'm not going to save this. Let's see the further instructions. We have successfully configured the username and password database config. We are going to select MySQL. Here we are going to select MySQL, whatever database you want to install. I am going to install MySQL, and then later on we will fill this form. I have searched the install MySQL on Ubuntu, and this is the command I am going to run. One process is holding the installation, so we are going to kill it, and now MySQL database will be installed. After that, we have to start the database, and we will do the remaining configuration. Okay, the installation has been completed. Now we are going to start the service. Now I am going to access my database and create the database and user. For the purpose, I have copied some commands. You have to create the database, and then user which has access to the database using password, and then all the privileges to the user. After that, we will add the local host here because we have created the database on the local host, and then database name. Database user will be the Unimus as I have created in front of you, and then the password and encryption key. I will use the Unimus as an encryption key, and click on the continue setup. Okay, the database has been configured successfully with the Unimus. If we face any error, then there will be any configuration error we will do, but all done successful. Now I am going to skip this add credential used in your network. These credential will be used for the automation of our backups. We have to add at least one, so I'm going to add a user, and then I will continue to the setup. This will remain default, and we will click on the continue button. This is the configure backup schedule. This is the default one. The schedule which will be used to create backup of our network device, we will later add in the future, and you can create another customized schedule as well. And we will continue the setup, and at the end you have to get the license key that will be provided by portal unimus.net. You simply have to create an account for the Unimus, and in your account you will get this license key, and then you have to click this finish setup button, and all the configuration will be completed. As you log in to your Unimus portal account, the default page will be the key page, and you will just copy the license key and paste here and click on the finish setup button. After that you will get this finalizing wizard web page. Unimus will now be deployed with the settings you provided in the previous wizard setup steps. Now they have loaded the certificate, license key has been validated, license key has been saved, connection has been done to the database successfully. Now it will creating dummy and database tables for the future use. This Unimus portal account will be free of cost. You can easily sign up or create your account using the email address. After that you will get the license key from there, and just paste here the key, and all the settings will be completed. After the successful creation of database table, this will be the dashboard of your Unimus server. This is how you can install here Unimus, a network automatic backup and configuration management tool on the Ubuntu. From here, if you click on the devices button, you can add your devices here that we will see in the future. Hope you guys understood the installation. Please support me and my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends, colleagues and students. Until then, stay blessed, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.